Hi guys, hope you are doing good today. It'll show you how you can 3D animate from image and how you can take the moves from other video and add to your character. I have generated 3D character from Leonardo AI and animated it. I will show you step-by-step process how I have done. Let's get started. First, open Leonardo AI. You need to log in if you don't have account in Leonardo AI, then create one. As you can see, there is various options to play with. For now, I will show you Image Generation Tool. You can create any style of character as you can play with prompt or image-to-image option. I will make separate video about Leonardo AI about image-to-image and also animation. For now, I will create cute 3D character. I will select 3D animation style. Type whatever prompt you want. Now I'll make cute character with blue hoodie standing. Create generate. Wait for some time. As we can see, we got some cute simple character. I will take this one as it have front view angle. Click download. Then go to leonardoai. To use it, you need Discord account. As I already have an account, I will open Discord. You can see on screen right side, I have animated lots of character. It's fun. Use it before it will release paid version. On screen left, select any one group. People are trying different style and animation. In bottom down click, we can see some option. First, I will select animate. As I click got option to upload the image we need to animate. I will select the character that I just created from Leonardo. Image got upload now. We need to write prompt. Don't get scared. Go to leonardoai prompt. We will get lots of prompt to copy dancing, walking, fighting, explore. All for now. I will copy this one. Go back to Discord and paste the prompt. Click background option. You can select any. As I want green background, I will select green and change fine tune to on. That's it. Click enter. Give some time to generate it. I will skip this part. Now our animated video is ready. Not bad at all. With just few click, we got this output. You can click full screen if you want. As I liked it, I'll download the video. Next, I will show you mix animation. Select mix. We will get 2 files to upload. This is fun. First one, select the character. Upload a video of the motion you want to mimic. I will select one. Give me a minute. Both the files got uploaded. Now select background. As I will use new background, I will use green screen. Turn on fine tune. And press enter. Wait for some time. Our video got generated. Let's play it. Amazing. Almost in 5 minutes, we created a character and animated it. I won't say it's perfect, but it's almost there. I am scared the way AI is growing. So many artists will lose their job in few years. Anyway, hope you guys have enjoyed and understand. If you need any help, comment me. Please like and subscribe. That will make me motivated to make more videos. Thanks, bye.